Hello school leaders. In this video, we will discuss the easiest way to implement HPC in your school. Student report cards typically look like this, or in some cases, a little more detailed like this. But holistic progress card is way more detailed. Let us take a look at the CBSE report card template for grades 1 and 2. It is 12 pages long, and the teacher has to enter over 100 report card items for each child. To fill these 100 items for all the students in a class teacher has to conduct various assessment activities throughout the year, collaborate with other subject teachers, track completion, and collate the data in one place to produce this report. This is a very tedious process without a smart tool. Let us look at how Flourish can help your school to make it easy and efficient to produce the HPC reports for all students. We start by working with you to come up with a plan for every class. The plan provides assessments required to cover all the items in the HPC report, allocation of the assessment to different teachers, and the schedule of when it needs to be completed. Once the plan is completed, it will show up in this way. This provides you, as a school leader, complete visibility of all the scheduled assessment activities and their current status. You will be able to filter by grade and assign to teacher. Just by looking at this view, you can get a summary of how HPC assessments are progressing and which teachers need additional support and help. A similar view is available for grade coordinators, class teachers, showing all assessment activities that they are overseeing. Now let us look at how we make this process easy for a class teacher. When a teacher logs in, they will see the activities planned for their class. Language and Literacy 1 is an assessment activity that is in the to-do list for the teacher. After conducting the activity, the teacher clicks here. Then she can download the smart scoring sheet for this activity. This is auto-generated. It means it is ready with all the student names and the competency columns already. The teacher can mark all the proficiency for all the students, scan the QR code, and upload the sheet. Once the sheet is uploaded, the teacher can review the data and make any necessary edits. The system automatically stores and captures in the respective student records. The system also supports sending form to parents, collect feedback and other information required for HPC reports. This is an example of a form that the parent will get to provide feedback. As teachers complete all the assessment activities, the students' HPC reports are getting updated. Teachers just have to review and fill any missing data if needed, and the HPC reports for the students are ready. The teacher can preview the report for a student to see how it looks. They can download print-ready reports to print for all students. They can also publish the report so the parents can see the report online. With Flourish, you can reduce this workload by more than 50% through structured planning, simplified tools, and automated reporting, freeing up the teacher's time for more crucial tasks. Flourish HPC is the smartest way to implement HPC in your school. We also make it easier for schools to implement HPC in the following additional ways. We conduct workshops for school leaders to help them plan HPC implementation. We offer teacher training on how to create and conduct competency-based assessments. We also help schools to develop competency-based assessments, resources for HPC. Additionally, we can also help schools to design customized, beautiful HPC report cards. So dear school leaders, to know more, just send us a message on this number.